Alright, welcome to the channel everyone. As always, finishing off the day with our Bitcoin analysis. Well, we did a video on this morning. What did we say? We said as long as we do not have a daily close below 39,000, then I remain bullish. And we've come down, we had a fake out so far, and we've come back up and we've pumped above the trend line. So, once again, I said this in my videos. I even highlighted this and I talked about how we've had 9% wicks to the downside, we've had 8% wicks to the downside, and in this instance this was only a 3% wick to the downside. So I understand a lot of people are panicking on this move. However, we've already started to turn tail, and we talked about this in my video. I said there's so much support around these regions. I said I think worst case scenario, I said I was going to be laddering in buys between where we were. I said, during this morning's video that I was buying the video. I did this to the buy button this morning. Oh, wow! And I was also talking about buying, laddering in buys down from 37 to 34. Worst case scenario, that didn't happen. And in the past 4 to 8 hours, we have had a big reversal. As soon as we did get back above this trend line, I smashed the buy again. I did another one. And as you can see, we're just continuing with this pump. So I really like what we're seeing right now. Historically, I talked about how if we look at the charts, you can see we have these W patterns where we W out. In this instance, it was this one. I did not mean to draw it from that one. That was on a W. Or it could have been setting up for a W. It was a failed W. I'm going off on a tangent. W here, breakout, and you can also see W here, breakout, and this was the worst one where it was. We had our first leg on the W and we had a 9% rally. This is really what we were talking about this morning. I was trying to alleviate some of the fear and saying, in my opinion, as long as we do not close below 39,000 on the daily, I remain bullish. Obviously, the daily candle has not come in yet. My crystal ball, I have unfortunately broken it, so I do not know if we are going to close above or below 39,000. However, I do know I do not get bearish until we close below 39,000. Keep on hammering that in. I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I think we're in such a nice macro uptrend right now. In the short time, for the past 16 hours, we've seen a decent influx of volume since we came down. And like I said, I was the one, smacking the shit out of the buy button down here. So it is good that we did see a reversal at this point. And like I said, as we did pump above this trend line, I did buy another one. So we are continuing. I do like what we're seeing. We are trying to flip the 4-hourly EMAs right now. This is why I say this in a lot of videos. I don't know if you're OGs to my channel, but if you have been watching my channel for the past week or two, I guarantee you have heard me say this saying before. Markets are cyclical and they're designed to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people most of the time. And that is what we're doing. Like we did it this morning, as everyone was getting bearish down here, or as people were getting bearish down here, we wiped out the bulls. And then as the bear squad was getting very excited, because let's come over to the Bitcoin shorts. This is what I mean. The bulls got wrecked today, all the bears got wrecked today. They tried to pump it up and we had a huge move down. A lot of people tried to short at the literal bottom for Bitcoin and got wrecked. I was smashing the buy button at this point. I talked about that in this morning's video. So yeah, honestly, I don't know why this is so hard to talk. I just made like 10 videos, just bear with me. But yeah, nonetheless, nothing has changed. I made a video, was it 3 days ago? We were down here on the 23rd of April, it was 2 days ago. I talked about, the likelihood of us doing something like this, coming up and Wing out. And obviously we're only a couple of days into it, so we don't know if we are going to come up to my price target of 49,500, but I can say for sure this volume looks good. We're still having a macro market momentum shift. Absolutely nothing has changed in that regard. And also we're starting to see that first pump that could come up into, this would line up perfectly, a short-term rejection of the long-term moving average on the EMA ribbon, and then a move down to this support, this ascending support, and then continuing to push up to my price target in the next couple of weeks. That is all I see for Bitcoin today. As always, if you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and also if you are watching to the end of this video, if you're still here, for my OG fans, for my fans who do watch all of my videos, I am making a Discord. I talked about this in my past couple of in my past couple of community posts on my channel. It is under maintenance right now. I'm trying to set up the or I have just set up the Twitter bot, the YouTube bot inside there. I do need to just make like 1 or 2 more tabs on there, and then it will be open for the public. I think we'll be launching it tomorrow, but if you guys are watching to the end of this video and you want an early invite, then shoot me a DM on Twitter. Just go over to my YouTube page, just click on about, and you should find my links, Twitter and Instagram, and then yeah, just follow me on there. So that is all I see for Bitcoin today. We are looking very good. I might check out the Fear and Greed Index after this just for a quick video, but that is all I see. Total crypto market cap bounced on the support line as well, and also, are we above the 618? We're still below the 618, so we would like to see continuation at this point, in my opinion. That is all I've got for you for Bitcoin and the total crypto market cap. As always, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market. And as always, again, cowboy out. Peace.